Academy will always be home to me. It's where I built the foundation of my dreams, where I learned the value of hard work, and where I was surrounded by teachers who truly cared about my growth, not just academically, but as a person. ILA shaped me into who I am today. It taught me that no dream is too big if you're willing to put in the effort. That perseverance will take you far, and that success is even more meaningful when you give back. To every student out there, know that we're in a school that believes in you. Cherish every lesson, trust the process, and never stop striving for excellence. Because with ILA, you are not just learning, you are preparing to achieve greater things. Thank you, ILA.